Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. In today's video, I just bought two items here for my Google Pixel 3a, and I got this package a few days ago. I tested out the products. I'm going to show you what we got. So these are personal favorite items. These are items of choice. I bought these myself, and after all the reviews, I've decided to pick these two. Number one, I picked Poetic Case because of the protection, the 360-degree protection, and because it just, I don't know, it looked pretty good. I was gonna pick the, I forgot what the case name was, but I was gonna pick a different case, but I picked this one instead. It's only $16.99, I believe. I got the black. I don't have it in here, but I'm gonna show you other stuff that I got. So, obviously I did use this stuff. This is my personal favorite glass screen protector. This is the Supershield Premium Tempered Glass Screen Protector. It has 9H hardness, it has two of them, and it has these specs right here. Anti-fingerprint, ultra clear, real glass, extreme sensitive, 9H ultra hardness coating, and the oliphobic coating. So yeah, there's little pull tabs here that you can open it. I installed everything. It's really easy. Let's see if we can open this with one hand. No, two hands, sorry. It's kind of hard too. Alright, we got it. No, we didn't. Okay, hold up. Alright, now we got it. Okay. So first, we have this. This is a screen protector installation guide. And we also have this little warning. Stop, please watch our installation guide before installing. And then you also have this. Asks about a review. Okay, you have an alcohol preparation pad. It has 70% isopropyl alcohol, and I don't know what the other 30% is, but yes. For external use only. So it's good that it's isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, because that does not affect any technology, but it's 70%, so I don't know what the other 30% is. We have two microfiber cleaning cloths, one for each installation. Very nice. I used one obviously, but there's guided stickers. You don't have to use them. It's optional, but if you want a better, precise, accurate installation, then you could use them. Personally, I've been installing screen protectors a very long time, so I know how to install them really good. And then there's also a dust absorber. So while you're installing the screen protector, you'll know how to do it. So it comes in this little sleeve. There's two of them, like I said. This is what the second one looks like. I haven't opened this one at all. Hold up. So it does look like this. It's very nice, as you can see. Very clear. There's no home button, obviously, because this is the Google Pixel 3a. And there's a small notch cut out, but it looks fine to me. It's basically for the speaker and camera. It's fine. So that's really good. I really like this. The 9H hardness actually stands up and actually protects the screen. I've dropped my iPhone 6, made it shatter. I've dropped a few iPhones, made them shatter. The screen protector protected it, and the screen was perfectly okay. And then I just installed another one and went on with my life. So that was really good. So yeah, so I'll probably do an installation video on this later once this screen protector on my Google Pixel 3a cracks, which would be in a few months, maybe, give or take. Oops. Yeah, also my camera is a little bit hard to adjust now because I need to get a new tripod or a new device. So then you have the Poetic Case, so it's very minimalistic. The earliest way to install it, and it shows you how to install it perfectly. I did not know this, but if you don't install it like this, then you'll have issues with the case. So you have to install it how they say. So basically, so what you have in here, so you have Poetic. I believe you guys seen these before, but yeah. So Poetic installation guide, shows you how to set it up and stuff. And then you have a Poetic from San Francisco. So thank you note. This is a mystery gift, but there's literally nothing. I already read it. And yeah. So this is the Poetic box, I guess. I can't really show you the case. I'll probably show you eventually. I was gonna record this with a different phone, but I can't find my other phone to be able to record this with, so I could be able to show you what the case looks like and the screen protector looks like on both of them. And yeah, I couldn't find it, so that sucked. But this one is the Poetic Revolution case right here, and this is the one with the kickstand in the back where you can watch videos or mount it or whatever. It's really good. I really like it. I'm not using it right now, the kickstand. I'm using an overhead view to be able to record this. And yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. My next video will be posted very shortly. That video is my partnership with Spec. This is Spec Support's Crisis Text Line, and I'll be showing you info about that. I already pre-recorded it, so I just have to upload it later.